Welcome to My Tech KBS. In this video, I will show you how you can install and uninstall Google Chrome browser in your Ubuntu operating system. Okay. So open your browser. This is the Firefox I am having, which by default comes with Ubuntu operating system. So search, install Google Chrome in Ubuntu. This this link comes. Download and install Google Chrome computer. Click on it. Okay. Scroll down. Window, Mac, Linux. Click on Linux. Okay. On your computer, download this installation file. Click on this. Now, click on this download Chrome. Here, there's two options. So we will go with .tv file, this Debian file. Select, scroll down, accept and install. Takes just couple of seconds depending on your internet speed. Okay, it is done. Now go to the location. So this is the file. This file we will use to install this Google Chrome browser in our Ubuntu operating system. There is another way to install this .dv file. So open your terminal. There is a shortcut key Alt Control T. Maximize it. Now, what we need to do? We need to install one wget command in our machine. So type this command sudo apt install wget. Type y. Type your machine password. Type one command wget. This URL I will share with you in the description. Type enter. This will download in your machine. Here it is. So where it gets downloaded, let's go there. This one. This is install. Now we will use this file to install our Google Chrome. Go back to your terminal. Type sudo apt install. This is file. Press enter. Here it is. Load it. Now type command Google. Here it is. Now we can use this Google Chrome browser. Okay. Now we will see how we can uninstall this Google Chrome browser. Okay. So type this command. Let's get clear. Now type one command sudo apt purge Google hyphen Chrome hyphen stable. Press Y to continue. Now we will execute two more commands for cleanup. Sudo clean sudo apt clean sudo apt auto remove. Done. Now let's try to open our Chrome. It should not allow because it is uninstalled. We have seen so far how we can install and uninstall Google Chrome browser in our Ubuntu operating system. All right, buddy. That is all for this episode. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more upcoming video. Thanks for watching. I will come back in the next video.